You know, I feel like some ice cream today. And I think I don't have what I want here, even though I made this wonderful sundae. But I think I might just have to go down to Diagon Alley and get something at Florean Fortescue's Ice Cream Parlour. Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Yes, I am on a roll with this Diagon Alley thing, and I am on building number 3. Probably the building that I spent the most time on is Florean Fortescue's, or Floresque, Ice Cream Parlour Shop. So, right up top I have an ice cream sandwich, and down here I have the ice cream cone. Now I have a lot of display options going on here. I have another ice cream sandwich here, a fudge tap here, and some cool ice cream creations in the front window. Also up on the balcony here we have a dessert bar, so strawberry ice cream, vanilla ice cream, some chocolate and whatever, and there's a lady helping herself there, and she's making like a float type of thing there as well. We put some stairs up to the side so they could easily get in and out because there was no back entrance to the top floor as per se. Now we'll just go to the back and you can see the detail in the back. So let's just zoom in closer to the lower floor. Okay, so we got our freezer sections with all kinds of delicious ice creamy treats in here, serving table, and looks like a raspberry style ice cream thing on the top there. I remember having some kind of strawberry thing as a child, so that kind of brings back memories for me on that. We have the soda fountain here that the clerk is dispensing some soda to the young lady over here, and he's got an ice cream already made for her on the counter. So we kept the theme of strawberry and vanilla mostly, with one yellow stud in there. Why he's showing up in there, I don't know. I think we might have to replace that. Not sure why that yellow one got in there. We had some fun building this one. That's what it came out to be like. So there's a close-up of the front window and the ice cream cone, and also the top deck. It all looks pretty cool. All in all, I think I did well on that one. I must have rebuilt it about 10 times in order to get things where I wanted it. Especially in around the window here, that was really tricky. I wanted some quarter pieces and make it quite a bit bigger. I wanted to get some quarter pieces and make it bigger, but I just couldn't get them, and I just settled for a 1/2 round clear translucent. So this was what I was able to come up with for the Florean Fortescue's ice cream shop in Diagon Alley. Now there wasn't a lot of many pictures out there, so the best that I could come up with for my MOC was something like this, just a plain old ice cream shop. And I wanted it to stand out a little bit, rather than the plain old gray and whatnot buildings that they sort of have there. And trying to reproduce Diagon Alley is quite a feat in itself, because it's really sort of like a dark wizarding place, but there's really not a lot of pictures. What they do have are quick shots in the movie and stuff like that, so it's kind of like based on, well, your imagination, I guess, when it comes down to it. So I just come down and actually I just decided to build it like this. If it fits in, it fits in. If it doesn't, well, you know, it's imagination, right? So that's what comes down to in Lego. It's your imagination and what you come up with. I think it's colorful and it should fit in with the theme of the blue and the purple and the orange and the red and the brown and everything. And it is an ice cream shop, so I've seen different pictures at both Universal and the Wizarding World, and also from the movie, and they all seem to be different. So, you know, I guess it comes down to whatever you decide upon and you build. So this is what I built for the ice cream shop. Hope you like it. And let me know in the comments down below, any comments, or if you think I could change anything or make it better, please do so, and I will talk to you again shortly. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.